If you're looking for a great quality walking pad treadmill, this video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth. We're going to take a quick look today at this walking pad treadmill that will allow you to walk and run. It's by DeerRun. You're going to love the details. Let's check it out. First up, we'll look at the remote. This is a nice remote, super easy to use, up, down, play, pause. Now the treadmill itself has the stability bar, which is super helpful if you're a little bit clumsy like me, or if you just want that extra stability there for safety. It's a great feature. It rolls down in order to put the treadmill away. It also has some wheels right up here on front, which is handy for if you are looking to get the treadmill out, do your exercise, and put it back away under a couch, under a table, desk, wherever. The wheels on the front allow you to pick it up and move it around without scratching your floor. Another nice feature of this treadmill is that it's got controls right here on the top. You've got your display screen down here, and that will scroll through different pieces of information as you're doing your workout, which includes speed, time, distance, and other information. This is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected as well, which is a feature that you don't often see in this style of treadmill and in this price range. It has a 300-pound capacity, and the speed range is from 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour. If your legs can go that fast, more power to you, because these stubby little legs don't go much over 5. Let's go ahead and take a walk and you'll see how it works. When you push the play button, it gives you a nice 3, 2, 1 countdown. Again, pretty standard with this style. Starts you out at 0.6 miles per hour, and here's what that looks like. Nice, easy, slow walk. Here's what 1.5 miles per hour looks like. Here's what 2.5 miles per hour looks like. Another great feature of this is on this handlebar, you've got different touchpad controls. One unique feature about this is that it has a quick touch button for 3 miles per hour or 6 miles per hour. So if those are comfortable presets for you, you don't have to worry about the boop, 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 boop with the remote to get to that speed. You'll hit play to get you started out, and then you just go to 3, and it will instantly get you right up to 3 miles per hour. Or you can hit 6, and that you're on a run. It's also got a start, stop, and a speed up, speed down control right here on the handlebar. There's also a spot to put your iPad or tablet in here. There's a little tray that I don't have installed right now that pops right in there, so that way you can either watch your tablet for entertainment or you can do a guided workout. Moving on up, here's what 3.5 miles per hour looks like. Here's what 4.5 miles per hour looks like. Here's what 5.5 miles per hour looks like. And then when you hit the play pause button, it slows you down gradually to a nice comfortable stop. Now again, it goes up to 7.5 miles per hour, but these stubby little legs do not. It's got this magnetic safety strap, as do most treadmills with a stability bar design. It's magnetic, you clip it to yourself. So that way if you stumble or fall, the treadmill belt comes to a stop immediately for safety. So that's about it. I've had the chance to try out quite a few of these walking pad treadmills recently. This one's nice because it'll do walking and running. You can use it with the stability bar up or down. The remote is really smooth. The touch controls are really intuitive, and I find that it has a really nice, quiet, and smooth operation of that belt. For the price, you really get a lot of features, and I would definitely recommend.